Today, our topic is self awareness. Self awareness is conscious knowledge of one's own character and feelings. It is an awareness of one's own personality or individuality. Self awareness theory is based on the idea that you are not your thoughts but the entity observing your thoughts. You are the thinker, separate and apart from your thoughts. Benefits of self awareness: enriched emotional intelligence and greater empathy and listening skills, improved critical thinking skills and decision making, strengthened communications and relationships, enhanced leadership capabilities and capacity. Self awareness is having a clear perception of your personality, including strengths, weaknesses, thoughts, beliefs, motivation, and emotions. Self awareness allows you to understand other people. One of the first examples of self awareness is seeing and recognizing oneself in a mirror. Humans have a complex system of self awareness of distant past, which includes both happy and sad memories. Daniel Goleman, the guru of emotional intelligence, identified self awareness as being made up of emotional awareness, accurate self assessment, and self confidence. In other words, it is all about knowing your emotions, your personal strengths and weaknesses, and having a strong sense of your own worth. We have two forms of self awareness available to us. One is conceptual self awareness, what we think about ourselves, which may include judgments, evaluations, logical conclusions, and things that are easy to put words to. The other is embodied self awareness, which includes registering various types of inner states. Self awareness is an awareness of the self. Its unique components include thoughts, experiences, and abilities. Self awareness is rare. It takes self analysis to get there, and most people are not aware of how to do it or willing to make the effort. There are two kinds of awareness: first, awareness as psychologically or spiritually, and second, awareness as undesirable self consciousness of the body. Self awareness is a sign of intelligence. In other words, high emotional intelligence is self awareness. It is a deep understanding of what makes us tick, what angers us, and what makes us happy. It also means that we can appraise ourselves, faults, and all with great honesty and clarity. Self awareness leads to success. You will work and play better with others. It is better to focus on your own actions rather than on others, especially when trying to solve a problem. People who are self aware start by examining what they can change personally in order to succeed. Self awareness leads to self responsibility. 8 ways to improve your self awareness. Get out of the comfort zone. Identify your triggers. Don't judge your feelings. Don't make decisions in a bad mood. Don't make decisions when you are extremely happy. Get to the bird's eye view. Look for your emotions in the media. Revisit your values and act accordingly. Self awareness is being honest with yourself about who you are. This honesty makes you a more real and genuine person. To cultivate self awareness, you must understand the importance of knowing yourself. If you tell yourself anything other than the truth, you will never be happy. Self awareness is the key to emotional intelligence. The ability to monitor our emotions and thoughts is easy after understanding ourselves. It helps us in being at peace with who we are and proactively managing our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. It also contributes to a leader's emotional intelligence, which plays a critical part in their ability to effectively convey messages, recognize motivations, understand emotions, and manage relationships. Self awareness is the thinking skill that focuses on a child's ability to accurately judge their own performance and behavior and to respond appropriately to different social situations. It helps an individual to tune into their feelings as well as to the behaviors and feelings of others. These are the things all extremely self aware people know and do. They take responsibility. They are kind instead of nice. They don't take their results personally. They know they are more than their thoughts and feelings. There are 6 steps to advance your communication skills through self awareness and emotional intelligence. Determine your relationship value, alignment, objective, understand your emotions, empathize with others, control your emotions. You can change from self awareness to self improvement. This is how you can start. Decide where you want to self manage. Notice and reflect on what is driving your lack of self management. Consider your choices and your reactions to those choices. Make a plan. Practice more because old habits are hardwired into our brains. Repeat the process. Self consciousness comes from self awareness. The emotions that come from them help us perceive how we fit into society. Self awareness helps us improve social functioning. Violating a group's social rules causes guilt, shame, and embarrassment. According to Daniel Goleman, an American psychologist who helped to popularize emotional intelligence, there are 5 key elements to it: self awareness, self regulation, motivation, empathy, social skills. Self awareness allows people to recognize what things they do best so they can go hard on those aspects of their life. It also helps you accept your weaknesses. Self awareness does not stop you from making mistakes, it allows you to learn from them. Thank you.